Looking for the best quad chairs? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 quad chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Chair. Petite owners find this chair very comfortable, not sitting too high off the ground. Fairly light and easy to carry. Sturdy for its size, supporting resting firefighters and teenagers without a problem. A perfectly adequate quad chair for short-term sitting at games or while camping, though it may not last more than a season or two. Angle of the chair back is too steep for some owners, making them uncomfortable. Many users found the chair too small to sit in. Fabric can detach from attachment points after a few uses. Cup holder is small. At number 2, Coleman Collapsible Folding Chair. Heavy-duty chair works well for larger users. The built-in cooler gets big thumbs up from owners, as does its storage pocket and ample cup holder. Lasts through multiple outdoor seasons for most. Lightweight and easy to carry. A good choice for larger users at a reasonable price point with attractive extras, though some find its lightweight build too flimsy, particularly at the arms. A few reports of chair fabric ripping away after just a few uses. Caution must be used when pressing the chair arms to get in or out of this quad chair, users find. Some have difficulty repacking in storage bag. Shorter users find this chair uncomfortable. At number 1, ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Chair. Very rugged build, with screws attaching canvas to chair supports rather than rivets. Users like the quilted canvas back and seat as well as the multiple cup holders and pockets. Folds up compact enough to fit narrow RV storage cabinets. A well-built, sturdy quad chair aimed for big and tall users, and one that is most likely to last through several outdoor seasons of regular use. Seat depth can make chair uncomfortable for some. Reinforced front edge of chair presses into the back of some owners' legs and causes discomfort. Canvas odor when first opened. A few reports of fabric tearing away from supports after several uses. A bit heavy to carry. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.